Did you know that third-party sites and apps can access your phone number and address book? These settings come pre-enabled right out of the box on our Android smartphones. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly what to turn off to boost the security and privacy of your phone number and address book. Open your device settings. Scroll down to the Google section. Tap on All Services. Scroll a bit down to Phone Number Sharing. This is the setting that allows Google to share your phone number when other apps or sites request it. For your security, I strongly recommend disabling this setting so Google can't share your phone number with every app that wants it, because you shouldn't share your phone number with just any app or service. Once they get your phone number, you'll frequently receive spam calls, persistent ads, and all sorts of annoying offers. Now let's move on to the next step. Open your Google Chrome browser or the one you regularly use. Tap on the three dots at the top right corner. Scroll all the way down to Settings. Here we have a special setting called Addresses and More. This setting will be enabled on your device. It's called Save and Fill Addresses. This means Google and all services where you've registered and entered your phone number for address confirmation save that number. For security, I also recommend turning off this setting. There's one more important setting we need to adjust. Go to the settings and at the top right in the search bar type Permission Manager and enter the permission. Please pay attention to permissions like call logs, contacts, and also phone. And let's enter the first permission, such as contacts. Let's think logically. In this case, an app like Gallery has access to my contacts. Of course, it's absolutely pointless for the gallery to have access to my phone number, so we go here and disable this option. This way, you can logically assess and disable access to apps where it's absolutely unnecessary. These only pose a threat and lower the privacy and security of your phone number. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe for more videos.